I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the installation media, so you avoid removing the wrong device. Check BIOS or UEFI boot order and note whether USB or DVD is prioritized. This prevents accidental boot failures. Once done, physically disconnect the USB or eject the DVD from the optical drive while the system is powered off if possible, and verify in Disk Management or File Explorer that the removable drive is gone. That confirms the media is no longer attached to the active system. Next, you remove leftover boot entries and temporary files that keep the system thinking installer exists. Open an elevated command prompt and run bcdedit to list and delete any setup-related entries. Alternatively, use msconfig to adjust boot options. Then delete $Windows, -BT and setupact. Log if they remain because these store installer state. Make sure to delete only installation-specific files. Finally, remove any temporary partitions via disk management and extend your main volume to reclaim space. This prevents accidental reinstallation. Finally, you confirm the removal by rebooting and ensuring Windows boots from the system drive without showing installer prompts. If you encounter boot errors, run automatic repair from recovery media. If that fails, use an elevated command prompt with bootrec/fixmber and bootrec/fixboot to repair the bootloader. Make sure to keep a recovery USB or disk available and document the changes you made. This helps you restore settings quickly if something goes wrong and explains why each step mattered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.